rain? Do you like it? Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? Come here. Do you like the rain? Do you like it? You finally get what you want? Oh, so cute. I'm distracting her. Oh, she's all wet. Oh, she's getting a bath. Oh, she's bathing herself. Oh my gosh, she likes getting. She has a whole wet coat on. You like being double layered up? Double layered up? You got the overcoat, you got the undercoat. You like to sit out in the rain and the rain doesn't touch your skin? Hey, did you want to look outside? Did you want to go outside? Oh, we got the rain. We got our wish. We got our wish. We got our wish. Oh, she's not playing along. She's like, I've already been outside. You just didn't film it the first time when I ran to the door all cute like. Oh, we like to enjoy the rain together. We enjoy the rain. Oh.
The club is
Do you want something?
But the club's not available. So, I mean, the moped was 3.5, but it's not available. So, I mean, you can say that.
She likes the rain. Look at that tail. Aww. Isn't that nice? She likes the ASMR. Here I am disrupting her ASMR. Okay. I'll let her sit. So a dog ran by the yard, and
I actually really like that.
She's up on the couch. Kitty, does the dog scare you?
There's taxes of 24.
Does the dog scare you? You don't like the dog.
So it'd be 124.
You don't like the dog.
The automatic switch would be.
She's looking straight out the door.